Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am making a mug cake. So I have been making this mug cake for months now and it went pretty viral on my page and Zoya's page. I'm gonna put Zoya's handle right here. So she created this mug cake recipe and I took it from there and I make tweaks every now and then with the recipe in addition to whatever is in the mug cake. So today I'm gonna show you how to make that. So all you need is 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of butter, 6 tablespoons of milk, some vanilla extract, and chocolate of your liking. So when I was making this for myself and just myself, I halved the recipe, so feel free to do so. This is good enough just for you if you want to compensate just for your lunch, or it's for 2 people, but yeah, I halve it and then that's how I make it. So now let's begin. The first thing you have to do is just mix all the wet ingredients together and then the dry ingredients, then you just mix them together. In here, I already have 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm gonna put 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder in here now. Guys, by the way, just remember that if it's a tablespoon, don't heap it. Try to flatten it out and then put it because then the compositions just get messed up. 2, 3, 4. And then you put 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1, 2, and then 4. And then you just add half a teaspoon of baking powder. There you go. And then you just give it a good mix. So as you can see, everything is mixed beautifully. And now I'm just going to mix the wet ingredients in this bowl and then just pour it in here. So I already melted the butter there. I'm gonna just add a dash of vanilla extract in here. And then I'm gonna add the 6 tablespoons of milk. There you go. As you can see, it looks a bit icky right now, but again, trust me on this. The first time I made this for Jake, he saw me make it and he was like, I am not gonna have this. So now I was like, dude, just trust me. And then you just pour this into your dry mixture. There you go. And then again, just give this a good stir. If you ever crave a late night snack, if you want something super chocolatey, this is definitely your go-to. It's my go-to. And depending on what flavor you crave with chocolate, you can literally put this inside the mug cake and then you can have it. It is so thick right now and it smells really good. And then the final most exciting step, take any chocolate of your choice. I have taken Kinder because I really like the combination of Kinder with cocoa. I just take the chocolate, break it into half, and then I dig it deep into the mug cake. If you want one more, you can do so. If I halve the recipe, I just put 1 Kinder, but since I'm making the whole portion, I will put 2 Kinders. So right now, as you can see, I've put it in, and then I just top it with some chocolate chips on top. Feel free to put more chocolate chips if you want to. I'm just putting those many. So guys, the mug cake is done. As you can see, it looks beautiful. It looks luscious. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this in the oven for 50 seconds. If you want it more cake-like, put it in the oven for 60 seconds. But I like it a bit more fudgy and cakey, so I just pop it for 55 seconds-ish, and then I'll show you how it's gonna look. So as you saw, that was the mug cake. It was super fudgy. It's amazing. Now, obviously, if you want lotus, put in the Biscoff paste and then you're done. You can put pistachio, anything, whatever floats your boat. As you saw, it was super fudgy, right? So if you want it more cakey, depending on your microwave, you can pop it in the microwave for like 1 minute or 1 minute 5 seconds, 1 minute 10 seconds. But the molten chocolate cakey fudgy feeling is what I personally like. So which is why I just put it in the oven for roughly 50 to 55 seconds. So guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please try it. Please, please, please try it because it is so freaking good. It is amazing and it will always keep calling you and be like, please make me, please make me. It's that good. I swear, I swear. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more amazing, delicious recipes and more, of course. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thumbs up, obviously, and yeah, bye.